Hey there, and welcome to another exciting exploration about TensorFlow and PyTorch. Today, we're navigating the intricate world of deep learning with a focus on PyTorch and TensorFlow. As we venture into the intricate landscape of PyTorch and TensorFlow, we'll uncover the nuances that make them stand out. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just stepping into the world of deep learning, this comparison is for you. While TensorFlow traditionally runs in large companies, PyTorch is swiftly making its mark, especially in research and development. Let's see how these giants stack up against each other. TensorFlow is the powerhouse behind Google, NVIDIA, and Uber, handling everything from Google search to Uber's Michelangelo. On the other hand, PyTorch was adopted by Facebook, Tesla, and OpenAI, driving innovation in AI research and autopilot systems. Choosing between PyTorch and TensorFlow is a common challenge. The decision is that it all boils down to the unique needs of your project. Let's dive into the details. PyTorch, with its simplicity and Pythonic approach, is a favorite for beginners. TensorFlow, structured and powerful, demands a bit more planning. Which one suits your learning style? Performance matters in the world of deep learning. TensorFlow shines with robust scalability, making it a go-to choice for production. PyTorch, however, is catching up fast with recent updates and improving scalability. As a thriving community can make or break a framework, TensorFlow, with its mature and extensive community, faces off against PyTorch, rapidly growing and beloved among researchers. Where do you find your support? Are you into cutting-edge research? PyTorch might be your best bet with its dynamic computation graph, allowing for more creative model architectures. TensorFlow is on the journey to add more flexibility, but it's challenging battle. Real-world application is still the deal. Google, NVIDIA, overpowered by TensorFlow, Facebook, Tesla, OpenAI running on PyTorch. Your decision might align with the industry giants you wanna stand with. In conclusion, PyTorch or TensorFlow, it's about what your project needs. Keep an eye on their development. Both frameworks are evolving. Remember, the best tool is the one that suits your project, not necessarily the most popular. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy coding.